Elon Musk, the second richest man, and Warren Buffett, the Oracle of Omaha, who, in your opinion, succeeded in business? Regarding business principles, Buffett and Musk, two of the wealthiest businessmen, appeared to disagree. It would be unwise for you to miss this. That's America, he's winning. In an interview from mid-April 2022, Warren Buffett stated of Tesla CEO Elon Musk, "You can't dream it up. It's astounding." In the aforementioned interview, Musk made multiple complimentary remarks regarding SpaceX and Tesla. CEO, when questioned about Musk, Buffett said, "That shows what America produces," pointing out Tesla's market value in comparison to rivals. Elon. It didn't really. He's competing against companies like Ford, Toyota, and General Motors who have it all, and he has an idea and he's winning. That's America. "It's unbelievable. You can't imagine it," Buffett remarked. In the past, Buffett had been more reserved when it came to Musk in 2018. He chastised him for challenging big automakers, people like his cars and everything. He stated in an interview from 2018, he's trying something to improve a product, and I salute him for that. And the American public will decide whether it's a success. And it's not easy, Buffett stated. He would not invest in Tesla in an interview that aired in April 2020, despite the fact that he thought the company had accomplished some amazing things. However, Buffett seems to be a believer in Biden GM, despite his optimistic assessment of Tesla and complimentary remarks for Elon Musk, the company's CEO. Although Berkshire has never made an investment in Tesla, the corporation does own shares in General Motors Corporation and the Chinese electric vehicle stock buy company ADR. Regarding Musk, he has previously criticized Buffett, labeling his value investing approach as lame during a Tesla earnings call. Speaking on the Joe Rogan Experience podcast, Musk said of Buffett, "To be totally honest, I'm not his biggest fan, but he does a lot of capital allocation. He reads a lot of annual reports and accounting, and it's pretty boring, really, regarding business. The two billionaire entrepreneurs essentially hold similar beliefs and philosophies." Having said that, it is not totally shocking that Buffett does not like Tesla, considering his history of value investing and his avoidance of high-growth businesses with large earnings multiples. Given this, many are wondering if Buffett or Musk has the best understanding of EVs. There was recent buzz about Berkshire Hathaway's support for Biden, surpassing its rivals as it may begin supplying rival Tesla with batteries. Elon Musk laughed off the notion that China's Baidu was a real rival more than 10 years ago. It could be that the roles have simply switched. Now, Baidu, financed by Warren Buffett, is poised to overtake Tesla Inc., its main competitor in China. Recently, a Baidu CEO stated that his company was getting ready to supply Tesla with batteries very soon. With this possible transaction, Baidu would rise to prominence and scale as one of the biggest EV and battery makers globally. Some claim that it is a wise decision. Over the last 2 years, Baidu has improved its game with a line of electric vehicles and more advanced lithium iron phosphate batteries, which has allowed it to seize market share throughout the world. By the end of 2022, the business hopes to have sold 1.5 million vehicles, putting it close to a third of the Chinese EV market. As of April 2022, Baidu was the third largest car maker in the world by market value and among the top producers of electric vehicles based on sales. In the same month, it announced it was ceasing production of fuel-burning vehicles first for any manufacturer, and sold more than 46,000 EVs as opposed to 1,728 for Tesla. Even with Shanghai closed down, EV sales in May 2022 increased by 250% over the same month the previous year. Although the specifics of Baidu's agreement with Tesla are yet unknown, it is expected that the Chinese business would provide Tesla with its Blade battery, a novel approach to the long-standing lithium-ion phosphate formula. It has concentrated on this chemistry because to its greater efficiency in terms of area, energy density, and range as opposed to the nickel cobalt manganese version utilized by several peers. With a recently added cell to body structure, it is also safer. In the meantime, the manufacturer of EV batteries has continuously introduced a line of automobiles as part of its vertically integrated business strategy, which has allowed it to avoid supply chain problems in large part due to its close relationships with suppliers. Baidu has been making efforts to obtain materials such as lithium. Baidu is pursuing Tesla's goals of producing batteries and securing resources at every stage of the supply chain. It has also already surpassed its competitors in becoming one of the world's largest manufacturers of electric vehicles. Musk's company is still looking at potential locations around the globe because it has struggled to get its proprietary 4,680 battery off the ground. That's accurate, but Baidu is further ahead. Although its vehicles may not yet be as stylish as Tesla's, they are nevertheless selling. These days, their batteries are also in Teslas. All things considered, Buffett and Elon Musk share strong opinions about the EV sector. Each has strong arguments of their own and are authorities in their own way. Not only does Tesla have a larger market capitalization than all other auto stocks, but it is also regarded as an industry leader in other areas. SP Global Mobility, a part of SP Global, reports that in the third quarter, Tesla accounted for 65% of all EVs registered in the US. Buffett firmly believes that as long as they maintain a durable moat, industry leaders will continue to be successful. Tesla does not, however, meet Warren Buffett's requirements for a wise investment. As fixated on moats as Buffett is, Tesla doesn't have one of these remotes. Notably, Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, gave an explanation for why he differs from Warren Buffett, pointing out that the two richest men in the world have different business philosophies. The CEO of Tesla has previously disregarded Buffett's recommendation to investors to look for businesses with buffers, or moats surrounding them. According to NBC in 2018, Musk declared moats are lame and that the pace of innovation is what counts. That's why it's important to take notice when these two extremely different multi-billionaires offer the same guidance. Elon Musk and Warren Buffett aren't exactly complementary individuals. Their ages, personalities, and areas of interest diverge greatly. The fact that Buffett and Musk are among the richest persons on the planet appears to be their only similarity. Nevertheless, it seems that Buffett and Musk share some similar financial philosophies. Firstly, both business people suggest investing in areas you are knowledgeable and confident about. Buffett has stuck to his principle of only investing in companies that he understands, despite occasionally coming under fire for not purchasing tech equities more regularly. Buffett stated in a 2013 letter to Berkshire Hathaway shareholders that it's critical that we understand the boundaries of our area of expertise and adhere to them strictly. It's not enough to just know the business well, though. Despite his reputation as a value investor, Buffett believes that a company's conviction outweighs its valuation. He wrote to Berkshire stockholders in 1989 saying, "It's far better to buy a wonderful company at a fair price than a fair company at some other price." A fantastic value. Musk and I are in agreement. His business acumen is more well-known than his investment acumen. Nevertheless, in May 2022, the CEO of Tesla tweeted saying, "Buy stock in several companies that make products and services that you believe in." Additionally, Buffett and Musk both concur that it is best to hold onto investments for as long as feasible. It is not surprised that Buffett is one of the first names that spring to mind when one thinks of long-term buy and hold investing. He's made frequent mention of adopting a long-term perspective. In a 1998 letter to Berkshire stockholders, the Oracle of Omaha even stated, "Our favorite holding period is forever." Buffett hasn't always kept the equities he's purchased for Berkshire's portfolio in his possession for an extended amount of time. Although he has occasionally seemed to stray from his own counsel, it's critical to recognize the context of his well-known statement of owning stocks indefinitely. Buffett qualified his remarks by saying, "The holding period of forever is only for outstanding businesses." With outstanding management, Buffett will sell a company when he no longer thinks its leadership is exceptional. Musk adheres to the same ideology. He said as much earlier this year in the aforementioned tweet on investing in stocks of businesses you support. Only sell if you think their products and services are trending worse. The two well-known billionaire entrepreneurs also have the trait of not caring what the market as a whole does. Buffett remained unfazed even after one of the worst financial crises in history caused the stock market to collapse in October 2008. His opinion piece in the New York Times stated, "I buy according to a very basic rule: when someone else is greedy, be scared, and when someone else is fearful, be greedy." On this point, Musk appears to concur with Buffett entirely. 7 months ago, he tweeted, "Don't panic when the market does," when he said it. The S&P 500 was down 14% from its previous peak. All things considered, Elon Musk and Warren Buffett are two extremely different people with drastically different worldviews. To learn more, subscribe to Tesla Stock